This is the DEWALT DCT410 inspection camera. Great piece of kit. Now, if you need to check the internals of something without having to take it to bits, this is the kiddie for you. It comes with a 900mm long probe. You can actually get additional probes and these can all be joined together. If you need to check something that's a lot longer, you can do so, maybe the internals of a pipe. The keen-eyed ones amongst you though will notice we've got a flat 4 VW engine here, very prone to playing up. So if you need to check what's going on inside the crankcase, just insert the camera. It's got an LED light on the front, which means you can see what you're looking at, and it displays it on the colour screen on the device. Now you can adjust this, it has 3 times zoom, and also the screen is removable as well. So if you need to have a little walk around, try and peer in and then check what you're looking at on the screen, you can do so. If you want to look at it on a bigger screen, don't worry, because you've got a micro SD card port on the side there, so you can record what you're looking at and then check it on a much bigger screen. Fab piece of kit.